What's going on, you guys? Today I'm doing an engine bay detail and I get a lot of requests to make a video on this, so I figured this would be a perfect time. For engines this dirty, I like to use Super Clean diluted 1:1, a detail brush, and a brush kind of like this. And then to make things a little easier, I use my Harbor Freight steamer and a pressure washer. So first we'll start out with the pressure washer, and I don't like to turn it on. I just like to have it like that, just because any pressure or pressurized water can get inside the connections and mess some stuff up. We'll go ahead and rinse off the top and work our way down, and then rinse off everything we can reach. Next, we'll spray everything down with the Super Clean. We'll scrub everything down with the big brush first, and everything we can't reach with this, we'll go to the little brush. Now we'll rinse everything down with the pressure washer. once I'm to this point, this is when I like to use the steamer to get any areas that I missed, like this. Can't really see it. Or down here. Or in this area. And once you got it as clean as you can get it, turned out pretty clean, we'll dress it with Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. I believe this one is 4-to-1. You just spray it over the whole engine, and then that's it. You let it dry, and it'll turn out looking amazing. Now you could let it dry, but I'm gonna dry it all down just so I can show you guys the end results. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see next. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.